If you're looking at betting apps in the UK, it's important to understand right from the start that these platforms are strictly for users aged 18 and above, and they're heavily regulated by UK gambling authorities to promote safer play and responsible gambling. What I'm going to walk you through is an informational breakdown of some of the most well-known and widely used betting apps in the UK market, how they generally work, and why they've become popular among sports fans and bettors. This is not about encouraging anyone to gamble, but rather giving you a clear overview of how this space looks in 2026 and why these names keep coming up whenever people talk about sports betting platforms in the UK. One of the most recognised names in the UK betting industry is Bet365. It has built a massive reputation over the years for being one of the most complete betting platforms available. When people talk about Bet365, they're usually referring to its combination of sports betting, live in-play betting, casino games, and a very smooth mobile experience. The app is designed to let users follow live matches in real time and place bets as the action unfolds, which is one of the reasons it stands out. Its coverage of sports is extremely broad, from football and horse racing to tennis, basketball, and even niche sports that smaller platforms don't always include. The interface is fairly straightforward, which makes it easy for users to navigate odds, check fixtures, and follow live updates. Over time, Bet365 has become almost a default name in UK betting conversations, simply because of how established and reliable it is in that regulated environment. Another major player in the UK space is William Hill, a brand that has been around for decades and has successfully transitioned into the digital era with its mobile app. William Hill is known for its traditional roots in retail betting shops, but its app now carries that same legacy into online sports betting. What makes William Hill stand out is its strong focus on UK sports, especially football, horse racing, and tennis. The app often appeals to users who prefer a more classic, straightforward betting experience, rather than something overly complex or heavily gamified. It provides live betting options, pre-match markets, and a variety of promotional offers for registered users, although these offers are always subject to strict terms and eligibility checks. William Hill's long-standing reputation in the UK gambling industry makes it one of the more trusted names, especially among users who value stability and regulatory compliance. Moving into another big name, Ladbrokes is also one of the most established betting brands in the UK. Much like William Hill, Ladbrokes has a strong presence both in physical betting shops and online platforms. The Ladbrokes app is designed to bring that in-store experience into a mobile environment, allowing users to browse sports markets, place bets, and track live events in real time. One of the key features of Ladbrokes is its strong football coverage, particularly around the English Premier League and major European competitions. It also includes horse racing, which has historically been a major part of UK betting culture. The app interface is relatively simple, and it focuses more on functionality than flashy design elements. Ladbrokes has also integrated safer gambling tools into its platform, allowing users to set limits and monitor their activity, which is a requirement under UK gambling regulations. Another widely known app in this space is Paddy Power. Paddy Power has built a very distinct identity compared to many other UK betting platforms. It is often known for its humorous, bold, and sometimes controversial marketing style, which sets it apart from more traditional competitors. The app itself is very interactive and tends to feel more modern and entertainment focused. It covers a wide range of sports markets, including football, horse racing, boxing, and more. One of the reasons Paddy Power is so popular is because it often combines betting with entertainment-style features, such as special promotions, enhanced odds, and unique betting markets around major sporting events. Despite its playful branding, it is still fully regulated and operates under strict UK gambling laws. The app also includes responsible gambling features, reminding users to manage their time and spending carefully, which is an essential part of its legal operation in the UK market. Another key platform worth mentioning is Sky Bet. This app is owned by the Sky Broadcasting Group, which gives it a strong advantage when it comes to sports integration and media coverage. Sky Bet is especially popular among football fans in the UK because it is closely linked to Sky Sports coverage and often aligns its betting markets with televised events. The app is designed to be user-friendly, with a clean layout that makes it easy to find upcoming matches, view odds, and place bets quickly. One of Sky Bet's strengths is its personalisation features, which suggest markets based on user preferences and previous activity. It also offers a loyalty reward system that gives users points for activity, which can be exchanged for various benefits within the platform. Like the others, Sky Bet operates under UK Gambling Commission regulations and includes tools for setting deposit limits and self-exclusion if needed. When you look at all these platforms together, Bet365, William Hill, Ladbrokes, Paddy Power and Sky Bet, what becomes clear is that they all operate in a very tightly regulated environment. The UK gambling market is one of the most controlled in the world, and these apps are required to follow strict rules around advertising, fairness and responsible gambling. That includes age verification systems, identity checks and built-in tools to help users control their betting activity. While each app has its own style and user experience, they all share the same core structure of offering odds on sports events, live betting features, and digital access to markets that were once only available in physical betting shops. It's also important to understand the difference in how each app positions itself. Some, like Bet365, focus heavily on being an all-in-one global platform with huge market coverage and advanced live betting features. Others, like William Hill and Ladbrokes, lean more on their long history and traditional UK presence. Paddy Power takes a more entertainment-driven approach, trying to make the experience feel more playful and engaging. Sky Bet sits somewhere in between, with a strong media connection and a focus on football fans who already consume Sky Sports content. From a user experience point of view, most of these apps are designed to be extremely fast and mobile friendly, because the majority of users access them on smartphones. Live betting in particular is a major feature across all of them, allowing odds to change in real time as matches progress. This is one of the reasons why these platforms invest heavily in technology, because even a small delay in odds updates can make a big difference in user experience. At the same time, every one of these apps includes responsible gambling systems. This can include deposit limits, time reminders, self-exclusion tools, and links to support organisations. In the UK, these features are not optional. They are part of the legal framework that all licensed operators must follow. This is designed to protect users and reduce the risks associated with gambling. So when people talk about the top betting apps in the UK, they're usually referring to these established names because they are licensed, widely available, and have built trust over many years. But it's always important to remember that gambling is not a guaranteed way to make money, and outcomes are based on chance. The safest approach is always to treat it as a form of entertainment rather than a financial strategy, and to stay aware of limits at all times. In summary, Bet365, William Hill, Ladbrokes, Paddy Power and Sky Bet continue to dominate the UK betting app space because of their history, technology and regulatory compliance. Each one offers a slightly different experience, but they all operate under the same strict UK rules, designed to keep the environment controlled and safer for users who are legally allowed to participate.